Okay. कालीकूर्च समायुक्त माया कोडोपदेशतः प्रणवार्थ प्रबोधिन्यौ नमामि गुरुपादुके श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः क्रीं मात्रे नमः नमः सदसे good morning to one and all namaskaram we once again have Janardhan ji back with us today. Thank you so much ji for finding time for this. So basically we are going to deal with a very important controversial topic today, that is continuously the Nityananda Sangha has been posting 15 questions for Janardhan Sharma everywhere. So let us see what Janardhan ji has to say about these questions, and we may not cover all the questions in a single video. We will go one by one in various parts. The first question is, someone can be hypnotized for a few hours. How can you say someone can be hypnotized for 4 to 6 years? How is this possible?
Actually, this is a very good question. I wanted to, most of the places I have answered. Once again, I am answering this. In English, there is no any proper word which is actually equivalent of Indrajal, Mahendrajal, and also Malayala Mantriham. It's combination of 2-3 techniques. So, we are talking about hypnotizing. It is not only hypnotizing. It is much beyond that. First of all, understand one thing. Nityananda is actually a person who can control the Pishachi, demonic forces. He knew that technique. So he need that actually always. If you see that over the period of 15-20 years, lot of people related to Nityananda, mysterious way they have been died and expired, or killed, or vanished. So all these forces, he will take the control of that particular soul. Here, I don't want to call that as a soul. For understanding only, I am talking that as a soul. Otherwise, in Hindu scriptures, it is called Preda Pishacha. They will become Paisacha. It is actually Paisacha Loka. They will be. So he knew the technique of controlling that particular energy through them by using various Vashyam, Manovashyam. Like that, there are many Vashyams are there. Vashyam means, in English, I don't know exact word. It is controlling a person not only few seconds. It is doing something in his body and mind, not in the soul. He will not do anything with the soul. But what he can do most of the time he does is that he will enforce, that is called the Eval and Pilli and Sunyam. Here what he will do, he will actually enforce the other energy, that is negative energy, that is called Paisacha energy, other soul's energy, and he will enforce to change their opposite person's mind. I will challenge all the devotees across the globe that definitely they have been undergone many times that they wanted to tell something, or they wanted to do something, or they don't want to continue there. That moment would have come several times. That is the real soul wants on that particular body, wherein parallelly they will be under the strong confusion mind. Understand this very clearly. I am not talking about my experience. I am talking about any person under this Nityananda would have been undergone. Definitely somewhere that person wanted to come out, or he is not accepting what the practices are undergoing there. So this particular methodology is controlling others' mind. What Nityananda can do, you will be surprised. I'm asking a very, very simple logical question to each and every one of Nityananda's followers. Touch your heart and tell. The Hindu scripture says anywhere that you drop your family life, you leave your wife and kids, or leave your father and mother without telling anybody, you come and join in ashram? That is first question. Second thing, if you are coming, okay, you've gone to that. Why Nityananda is the entire system forcing you, through you, to donate all your belongings, all your properties to his mutt and trust? Third, there are many people donated 1 crore, 8 crore, 10 crore. There are some people even donated 20 crores and all. You go and ask them, under what circumstances they have donated this money. You will be shocked. They don't know how they have donated. Even today, there were Nityananda's followers worldwide. Let's say, for example, 20,000 people, out of which today only 3,000 people are there, or 4,000. There are about 15 to 18,000 people outside the Nityananda's cult, out of which you select only 1,000 people who have donated more than 50 lakhs or 1 crore or 2 crore. You select those categories of the people. They are not with him now. Hello, all of you understand. When you are going to a temple, when you are going to, for example, Sabarimala or Tirupati Balaji, within 1 year you are not going to donate everything. It will take lot of time and experiences to donate huge amount. The beauty of the Hinduism is that once you have connected with the deity or connected with the particular energy, you will not just like that come out. Now I am asking a logical question to all of you. In the Nityananda ashram, there were people who have donated, I am not talking about 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, I am talking about crores of rupees. To start with, it is hypnotizing. After that, controlling the opposite person, mind and body, not the soul. Third, changing his, doing the brain mapping and changing or reinforcing the negative energy within the opposite person or the devotees. Trying to control their mind or influence their mind. This is the Nityananda's style. Next, once they started following him very cleverly, here it is very important, very, very cleverly, he will be giving you some vigrahas and yantras. This is the technique. He is changing your mind and he is enforcing something, he is influencing something, and also asking some bad energy to influence you when you are in that particular circle. When you go out of his ashram, there you will be visiting many temples, you will be influenced by many positive energy. So, he will be losing the control on you. What he is doing? Very cleverly, he has given you the vigrahas, asking you to do the everyday puja. When you are doing the puja, you are forced to connect every day with that bad energy, that bad influence. I am calling here, it's a bad influence than bad energy. Otherwise, it is an energy. To understand, make you understand, I am telling it is a bad because you are doing bad things, disfavoring him. It is not good for you. And very shockingly, he is asking you to chant Mahavakya. I am very pity on each and every Hindus, including me when I was there. Very, very shame that when Manikya Vasagar, Appar, Trighyana Sambandar, or anybody for that matter, they never said that I am the incarnation of Sadashiva. Wherein all of them, they have done miracles, means miracles, which you all knew very well. In fact, they have actually given the rebirth after so many years. From the crocodile mouth, they have retrieved. All the stories are there. Nityananda has never done not even 1% of that miracles. But he is claiming Sadashiva. But very, very shameful on him is that he is asking everybody to chant on Mahavakya. Next to Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyakashipu is one of the demonic forces those days, few billion years back. There are a lot of references about him in our Hindu scriptures. He is the one who told the entire globe that you should not chant any mantras other than his name. Om Hiranyakashipuve Namaha. That is the mantra he forced to chant. So this is the technique which is, the references are there in the Purana. That when you are asuric force, demonic force, you need the energy. One side you need the energy, other side you have to stop the positive energy so that you will access the positive energy and convert that energy to your favor. What he has done, he has created, Nityananda has created disciples, series of disciples, devotees, and asked them to chant the Mahavakya. See, mantras cannot be changed. You cannot change the mantras every now and then. Mantras mean mantras. You can have different mantras. You cannot change the mantras. But this, what he has done, each and every time Mahavakya has been changed. You know the reason? He wanted to access more and more power. So he will say first Paramashiva Nityananda, Om Nityanandaya Namaha. After some time Nityananda Sadashivoham. After some time Nityananda Paramashivoham. Like that he will change the Mahavakya. He will enforce the people to do that. And whoever is repeatedly chanting that mantra, that will create an energy. Understand this point very clearly. That energy is actually your own positive energy. Unfortunately, instead of going to a particular deity, instead of going to, maybe for example, if you are a follower of Sadashiva, it has to go to Sadashiva, so that you will get 100 times more energy. Understand that Hindu concept very clearly. When you, that is the reason in Hindus they will keep person name only the God names, so that they will get more and more energy. So the moment you call any person by name, for example, Paramashiva or Subramanya or Ganesha, you will be, the person also will get more positive vibration, and also a person who is calling repeatedly that mantra, he will be connected with super consciousness, supreme power, supreme energy. He will be attracted, blessed with 100 times more energy from that particular source, cosmos. Here, very shockingly, this guy started misusing the technique, and in his favor, he is asking the devotees to chant his mantra, his name, by which there is a vibration, there is energy is getting created, and he is accessing. I wanted to really use all the bad words in the English and then the Tamil languages, because only a scoundrel can do like this. That is the reason I am once again challenging you. A person who is actually chanting a Rama Nama or Shiva Nama over the period of only 48 days, you can see this face. And you see 10 years, 7 years, whoever is chanting Nityananda same, how their face is. The spiritual energies completely got drained. So, understand point number 1. He is for a time to start with hypnotizing you, and it will not prolong more than few hours. So, in the time period, through various technique, he is controlling your brain, that is manas and body. Then he is enforcing you through the negative energy and influencing you. Then he is offering you some deities and vigrahas by which you will be asked to perform the puja every day. Then he is connecting you through that half an hour, and then you are asked to chant that his mantra and asked you to follow his Nitya Satsang. I am telling you, whoever is left, they are not following this. That's the reason they are out of that. So, the first question is that the answer is like this. He is using all this technique including Vasyamai. It is not Jnana Anjana. It is actually Anjanam. It is very dangerous thing to have on your forehead. Don't use it that to hear Agnya Chakra. Don't use that. So it is very clear we should not use. You are giving the key that to your spiritual wealth. That wealth key you are handing over to him, by which he is actually looting all your spiritual energy. So that is the reason I told that he knew this technique to control you. That's all.